channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely fantastic day. I am very excited to show you guys this next package that I received. First, let me say again, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching my videos. If you have not already, please go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. And so, for those of you that have seen the multiple Allure beauty box videos that I've done, you know from the very first one that I received, which was an October 2017 box, when I signed up in August of 2018, and it took over 2 months to get a box, and it was a year old. Then very shortly after, I did receive the September 2018 box, and then just a few days ago, I received the October 2018 box. Many of you were wanting to know what Allure did to correct the issues. I did reach out a couple of different times to discuss the delay in shipping, why I was continuing to be billed when I had not received anything, and their customer service, I will be honest, is not the best. However, my mind is changing a little bit on Allure, because I had all of those issues, and yes, it did take a couple attempts of speaking with different representatives, but it was finally resolved. I got the boxes, well, except for the August 2018 box. Apparently they sent me October 2017 instead. But I did get the September and the October 2018 box. Now, they refunded all of my money, so I was not actually charged for any, or I was charged but then credited for all of the boxes, so no money came out of my pocket at the end of the day, which I thought was great considering the issues that I had. Well, I go to check the mail the other day, and this big box is sitting on my porch, and you can see it says beauty swag, and there it says on the side, it like says Allure, Glamour, and Brides. I didn't know what this was, so I did open it. And you guys, my mind was blown. I did a little bit of research to figure out what this exactly was, and apparently I was not aware. If you don't know, I have only been doing the excuse me, the beauty boxes and the YouTube for a few months, since like June. You know, I had done Ipsy in the past and things, but really getting into all of these different subscription boxes, and my YouTube channel started in June. So I was new, you know, a lot of this was new to me, and you may want to sit back and get a cup of tea or something, because this video might be a little long. And a lot of the reason I did it started, you know, was because I needed to find something to do to occupy my time. I know that may sound silly. I'm a wife, I'm a mother, so I mean my time is pretty occupied, but over the last 2 years have had, you know, different things go on with multiple surgeries and excuse me, being diagnosed with the rheumatoid arthritis, fibromyalgia, they're still checking for lupus, just all kinds of different things, and I stay at home, so I do not work. So this has kind of become a hobby for me, and I love it because it really got me out of a depression that I was in, because I felt useless because I could not work because of the pain and always being sick. I had actually just gone back to college to finally get my degree, and I had been working my dream job. It was in the medical field. I always wanted to do pediatrics, but I didn't want the long shifts of the hospital hours, but I wanted our local hospital here is an amazing hospital, and I really wanted the benefits of the hospital, but without the long, 12-hour shifts. And I was very fortunate enough to find and get a job with like an outpatient pediatric specialty office, and absolutely loved it. And it, of course, was Monday through Friday. It was my dream job. So I was very, very down when I ended up having to resign because of my health issues. So this video is going a little bit past this box, so we're getting a little deep here. Pick your feet up. So it was a real blow to me to, have gone back to school, attained my degree, graduated with honors. I was so proud. I had, it was about a year and a half of working that I ended up having to resign. So, and that was a little over a year ago, or actually about a year ago. So I was actually very down about it. I had a pretty major medical procedure done in April of this year. I had a hysterectomy. But then I had, because of my immune system, I had complications, and less than a week after the surgery, I was in the hospital for 6 days. It's crazy. I had the surgery on my wedding anniversary, and I was admitted back into the hospital on my birthday. So it just, between having to resign, figuring out exactly everything that was going on with my health and the different conditions that I have, and then the stuff with the surgery, and then the infection and being hospitalized. I mean, I was really down. I was like, I can't take anything else. What else is going to happen? And I just had to find something to lift me up and, kind of get me out of the funk that I was in. So I obviously spent plenty of time watching YouTube videos during all of this. And then I was like, you know what? I want to do that. I want to do that. I think that would be really fun, because I do have so many days where I don't feel the best. And I'll be honest, I really don't feel that great today, but I still put my makeup on, wanted to do the video and share with you guys, because you guys, I love communicating with you, and I almost, in a way, feel like I let you guys down if I don't post. So, I wanted to go ahead and do this video. I was like, nope, I'm going to, fix my hair. I just did my mom bun. Put my makeup on and do my video. So here we are. So that's just a little 8 minutes in, blabble about, I guess, really why I did this. The YouTube channel and the unboxings. Like, it's something I can do from home. It would be awesome, kind of like Christmas, having all these different packages come. And it has gone way beyond any expectations that I ever had to get where we're at today with this channel. And it is all because of you guys. So a huge, huge thank you to each and every one of you, every subscriber, every time you watch a video that I post, every like, every comment, everything means absolutely so much to me. And I thank you all truly from the bottom of my heart. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get back to the point of the video. Got a little sidetracked. I apologize. This huge box, very heavy box, showed up at my door. I could clearly see that it said beauty swag, but I wasn't sure what it was. So come to find out, you guys might know this, I did not. Allure used to apparently have beauty thrills or something like that, quarterly, that you could order, and it would show you everything that would be in it. And it was like $49.95 and $10 shipping. Well, I guess they've switched it up a little bit, and it is now beauty swag that they do that, and it is still $49.99 and the $10 shipping, and apparently it's worth about $250 to $300. Now, mind you, this is all research I did after I opened this box because I had no clue whatsoever what this was. So, I'm going to show you. Hopefully the camera will not shake too much. But when I opened it, the very first thing I saw, Beauty Swag, September 2018. And when I opened it, it showed all of these products, and I'm like, what in the world? All of these products are in this box. So apparently, Allure, not only did they credit me everything I had been charged, they sent me this box as well. So I will have to say that while dealing with their customer service may not always be the best experience, apparently, I'm sorry you guys, apparently they do value their customers, even though sometimes it doesn't feel that way because, like I said, they credited me everything I was charged, still sent me boxes, and then sent me this. And I was just blown away. I'm gonna see if I can show you. It is very heavy, and it has lots of stuff in it, but it is slam-packed full. And these are not samples. These are all full-size products. So, I was shocked, and that's why I said my mind has kind of changed with Allure. Now, my subscription with Allure still is canceled. I do not know if I will rejoin because of everything that happened, even though I do feel at this point that they did 110% make it right. I still just don't know if I want to take the chance of the headache again. So, that is still up in the air as to whether or not I will renew my subscription.